Hey there everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We have got another cracking shave for you today. So, when I did my last video with Weinstrasse, thank you Lee, someone had mentioned that scent and Unconditional Surrender were their two favorites and it was hard to pick. So I'm like, hey, I'll pull out my Unconditional Surrender. This is my first use of it. I've smelled it. It was sent to me by my boy Lather Me Whiskers. And I don't think he had ever used it. I don't think it's a scent he dug, so that's why it got sent to me. So, anyways, making sure that got on tight. It's okay. It's more of a challenging scent. It is not in the same category as Weinstrasse. So, yeah, I like it. It's definitely not one of my favorites, even of Declaration Grooming, much less all the scents out there. But it's not bad. I mean, I haven't looked at scent notes because I'm trying to like see if I can pick stuff out myself, and I'll put scent notes up at the bottom. But it's like, okay, there's no patchouli in here. Some vetiver. Maybe cedarwood and some amber, maybe some oak moss and geranium. That's what I'm, yeah, I'd say geranium. It's complex, but I can pick stuff out. I'm getting better, guys. That's the big thing. Sorry. And this one isn't even as strong as Weinstrasse, in my opinion. So, just saying. We are using the Ever Ready T40 lucite handle. Original badger knot. Really awesome. Lathered it up in the trusty old Captain's Choice. Sorry, I sat here sniffing it, trying to tell you scent notes. You know, and we'll see if I nailed any of them. I would say there's at least 4 I know I got. Like vetiver, cedarwood, amber of some kind, like amber woods or something, and oak moss. Those are the ones I would guarantee I got. Correct. Let's put it that way, because I'm pretty sure that's what's in there. So we did go to work today. Long day, roads got better, but it was a really long day. Came home, ate, fell asleep, woke up, and you're looking at me. We're going to use the Artist Club again, the SS, with the wine. They call it wine. You know what I need to pair with this, guys? The Star Wisp. I was looking, and I bet you this would match the Star Wisp really well, the brush from PAA. And we are using those SoftGuards. That's what's been in here. And I enjoyed the shave yesterday so much that we're going to go with it again today, guys. So let's see how it goes. Woo, bloopage. There we go. Very good hydration going on this. Feeling good. Ooh. Tried to cut into the goatee. Yeah, it's just I would say the cedarwood and the vetiver, and maybe the amber woods is probably the most prominent notes you're going to get in this. Excuse me for the partial gurgle burp. If y'all hadn't seen, we are drinking the traditional, 2 splashes of vodka, 1 splash of grapefruit juice. I say the usual. If I'm gonna mix a drink, that's what it is. Y'all all know. I don't drink a ton. I was never a huge fan of this razor. I didn't feel like I got a lot of audible feedback from it. And I'd used it more than a handful of times. And I always use the wet generally, so I've got this. I wanted to use it. So I busted it out. And with these blades, I mean, I did not expect to enjoy this combo whatsoever. It's not like the Artist Club. The Feather is my favorite shavette or barber's razor. I'd say it's low on the pole, but it's really not, because I like the WEC, and then really I just like this. I haven't tried the IBC, but those half DE blade ones, I really don't enjoy, guys. I know some people do. Jeremy Tyler does really well with them. He has a Samurai one or something, I think. And I think Maddie's Kurenai is half DE. Maybe I'd like them better. Now that my technique's gotten a little better. And the only reason I say that's because, you know, my preferences have changed over time as I've learned and gotten better. And when I say gotten better, things that work for me. And some things, you know, you just have to admit you didn't do as well as you do now. Not everybody can be perfect out the gate. I will tell you my straight razor shaving suffered for a little over a year. I feel like it's coming back around. But there was a time that I had started out, and after I was 30 to 60 shaves in, I would say my technique was better than it has been in the last year. So I've been working on it, thinking more about it when I do use a straight razor. Alright, see, that angle was too wide. I had it too open coming up. So, but I'm getting better. Paying attention to technique. I'm more quiet while straight razor shaving in these videos lately. But just trying to get better. SoftGuard really is a forgiving edge as well, because I should have cut myself there. I really think I should have. It was a sloppy angle. Using that glorious residual slickness. We're going to hit this area right here again in the neck. Only reason I say that's because it's a testy area, people. But this is a mature scent. I would put this in the category of a more mature person if you were trying to wear this out. Like, it's not a... I'd put it closer in the Terre de Mes category of scents, personally. Now, I've only got Etre Fresh. But I think the Fine Vetiver. No, the Fine Vetiver I have, I think, is a Tom Ford Gray Vetiver dude. So... Oh, that's nice. There was nothing coming off by the end. But I just, it's a little bit, it's a dirtier of a vetiver scent. There is some brightness that I can't tell you where the brightness is coming from. I don't even know that it's citrus. But there's just, yeah. It's all right. It's not a bad scent. It's just not like slam dunk best scent ever. And I do enjoy some vetiver, but I don't like love all vetivers. Now there are some vetivers I do enjoy. So I'm not going to go into it. Y'all aren't here for frag talk. We will rinse up and we'll be right back. All right, we are back, guys. So we're going to use the splash. Gotta love these splash bottles. I am a fan. I like the, they're not as big as most everybody else's. I think everybody else is like 3.3, 3.4. This is 3.1. But I do like the size, shape, storability of this splash. I do give it a shake. I don't know if this is one that you typically need to. Oh, yeah. So good. Oh. Yeah, geranium. Comes out more. Very nice, guys. Very good splash. Like I said, good scent. Great scent. Just, you got me hyped, buddy. I can't remember your name. I just responded to the comment not too long ago. But yeah, you had me expecting it was going to be something. I hadn't used it. Hadn't smelled it in a while. Hadn't got my nose around it. It's nice. It's nice. It's just, it's not Weinstrasse. We're not there with that. All right, guys. I will put link below for anything you're interested in. Nothing I'm linking will be an affiliate. We will look at the Unconditional Surrender Soap yet again. Good stuff. It's why I did use my brush, because it's kind of matchy-matchy to me. We'll see if we'll do a shave of the day. Now, guys, we're going to talk a little bit about this brush now that I got it all cleaned up. Clear lucite handle. They paint the inside where they bored it out black. Insert the knot. Knot is a pure badger knot. Do y'all see the shape of it? It's kind of a different style bulb, wouldn't you say? Not great for face lathering. If you did, you'd have to choke up on it like this a little, and it'd probably be a good face latherer if you did it that way. This is a pure badger brush, people. Black badger, pure badger. It says it down here on the bottom. Pure badger. And you are going to see it backwards because I don't know how to fix that damn thing. So they dye it, treat it to make it look like a silver tip, right? That's what they're doing. This was back in the 50s, 60s, 70s, somewhere in that era. And it's great. It doesn't have a lot of density. And it's also set really high in comparison to the way we'd set knots today. Love it. Great for bowl lathering. Awesome. I love it. The original box. So this is definitely one staying in the collection. I absolutely love it. Has the little like sticker tag and everything. So, all right, guys. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you for staying around. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And enjoy your week. And have a wonderful Sunday if that's when you're watching this. Okay, everybody. While I was editing this video, the dry down on this, it's a little bit more floral than it was off the puck during the lathering and when I first splashed it on. The floral's really coming out now. I just kind of wanted to throw that in there because I was saying it was more of a dirty vetiver scent, but as it's dried down, definitely getting more floral.